Welcome to our recorded class. This is the nursery level online class, and our date for today is January 13, 2024. So how about let's start with counting our numbers from 1 to 30. So here we have the number, and let's start checking our numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Those are the numbers that we have 1 to 30. Let me erase the writings on the screen and let's go jump to our letter friend for today. So our letter friend has the V sound, letter V. And there are two kinds of V's, capital V and the lowercase letter V. Remember, V has the V sound, and let's try to sing the things that begin with the letter V to remind us of its letter sound, the V sound. V is for the van, vase and volcano, vacuum and vet. We also have the Valentine. They all make sound. The V sound. Letter V. Letter V. So those are the things that begin with B. The V sound. The V sound. So let's erase this one since we know already the things that begin with V. So remember, V is one of our alligator letters, and when we write them down, we start with the very top of the line for our capital V. So you go down and you go up. That is our capital letter V. Now lowercase v stays under the dotted line. Go down and go up. That is our letter V. So remember, V has the V sound. Two kinds of V's again. We have capital V and the lowercase v, and V is for our volcano that will erupt and will also put out the lava. So we have our letter V. Now let's go erase the writings on the screen. And let's prepare for writing our letter V. So if you have your marker, your whiteboard, and eraser, please get it. We'll need to trace for our letter V. So how about we start with our capital letter V? So make the letter V slant down first, then up like so. This upside down volcano is ready to blow. Again, slant down first, then up like so. This upside down volcano is ready to blow. So we have the capital V. Now what about let's do our lowercase letter V. So little v is ready to vroom, down then up, and it's out of the room again. Down and up, and it's ready to vroom, out of the room. So we have our lowercase v. Let's erase this one and let's go right for our V words. So what are the V words that we can write? So let's start with vet. V, E, and T. This is the word vet. Vet. The doctor for our animals is the vet. Another one. We also do vet. V, A, letter T, va, the vat. So when you put a big amount of water, you can put it in a vat. Okay, another V word. Let's go to van. V, A, and the letter N, van. Now, if I'm being too fast, you can pause the video, play it again once you are done. Are you done with working on van, writing for van? Okay, let's erase this one. Let's go do violin. So we have V, I, O. There's L, I, and N. The word violin. That's the violin, a kind of instrument. Another one, I'll go to vase. V, A, S, and the letter E, vase. I will use the vase to put my flowers in. That's the vase. Okay, another one. Let's erase. This time, let's do viper. A viper is also another word for snake. V, I, P. We also have E and R, viper. Okay, let's erase. And the last one, let's do the word volcano. V, O, L, C, A, N, and the letter O, volcano. A volcano. It's one of our um, la- landforms that explodes and releases lava coming out of it. So we have volcano there. It's a long word for you to write, but it is for practice. Now that we're done with our volcano word, let's go jump to finding the things that begin with the letter V. So I will use color to cover our V pictures. We have V is for the van, V is for vase. V can also be for vegetables. Do you see some other pictures that begin with V? I found vulture. Vulture is a big bird. It's quite big. V is also for the violin. V is also for the vacuum. V is also for volcano. And V is also for the vest. Now that we are done with our V words and this one, let's jump to the next part. Let me erase the writings on the screen. And let's go do our sound hound. So for this one, this video is for a review and lesson for your letter V. You will work on your own, and I know you can do it. You have your pages the whole uh, week for our letter V lesson. So let's start by doing the V sound. Remember, the sound of V is V. V. So where is the V sound in these words? We're going to sort it if it's in the beginning, in the middle, or in the end. So let's start with vegetables. Vegetables. Where do we put vegetables? It goes in the beginning. If it begins with V, it goes in the beginning. Okay, next, where do we put shovel? Shove, shove, it's in the middle. So let's put this one in the middle. Okay, next, what about let's go do olive, olive, olive. Olive has V at the end. So let's put it there. There's V at the end of olive. Okay, next, what else? How about oven? Of N. Of N. Where do we put oven? Oven goes in the middle. Okay, next one. How about vest? Vest. Est. It's in the beginning. Okay, next. What about we do cave? Cave. Cave. Where do we put cave? In the middle. Cave goes here in the middle. Okay, next. What about dove? Dove. Dove. Dove is at the end. Okay, how about volcano? Volcano. Volcano. Volcano is in the beginning. Okay, next. Envelope. 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 Envelope is found in the middle. Okay, next. Sleeve. Sleeve. Sleeve is at the end. How about your glove? Glove. Glove. Glove is at the end. And the last one, van. Van. It's in the beginning. So now we sorted for our sound hound. The ones that in the beginning we have van, volcano, vest, and vegetables. The ones in the middle we have shovel, oven, cave, and envelope. At the end we have olive, dove, sleeve, glove. So those are things that we sorted for our sound hound. Now we're down to the last work on the screen work, and that is to match our viewwords to their pictures and to the right box. So the first one, we have the word van. We have VAN van. Where is the picture for van? This one. Now, where can we put van? A van has the small letters or the alligator letters. It will fit here in the last box. So let's write V A letter N. That's your van. Don't forget, make a line for your van. Okay, next one we have est. Vest. Where is vest? This one is the vest. Where can we put vest? VESNT. I will number our boxes. Teacher forgot to write down the number. Now, vest has 4 letters. Where can it fit? In the number 1 or in the number 2? In the number 1. VESNT. That's our word vest. So let's make a line vest. Okay, next. How about vet? Vet. Our vet. That's the doctor for the pets. This is vet. And where can we put vet? Vet can fit in number 2. V, E, and the letter T, vet. So let's make a line. This one is for vet. Next one. What else is our V word here? Vine. This is the word vine. A vine is a plant that crawls. This one is vine. Where can we put vine? There are also 4 letters in the word vine. Can we put it in 4 or 5? In the number 4. So we have V, I, N, and the letter T, vine. So all the letters in vine are alligator letters. Don't forget, let's make a line also. Vine. Okay, next. Let's go jump to X. Vex. When someone will vex, they are yelling, shouting. Vex. And where can we put vex? Vex goes in the number 5 box. VEX. Vex. Don't forget to make the line here. Okay, last one. The last word, vent. Vent. The vent is found in the aircon where the cold air comes out. Vent. Last box for vent in number 3, V, E, N, and the letter T, that is the vent. So now that we're done with reading and matching and writing the words in the box, we will move on to the next part. And this time, I love to say bye-bye to you, Yumika. For today's lesson, it is for all the letter V work that you'll be doing for today. Please answer those pages, your V pages, and I will see you again in our next class. Bye-bye.